Hi everyone, this is John Wen. Today is October 14, 2021. In today's video, I'm going to briefly go through my research updates since the past week. As you can see, I mainly work on the last two items in my working stack. The second item is NLworkflow website integration. The estimated progress is about 25%. And the third item is prospector's dissertation, and this one I didn't spend too much time during the past week, so the estimated progress is about 5%. So let's review a little bit from the week before the past week. So until then, we were able to drag and draw any task into the website and connect them as an workflow. And however, when we choose the environment, which is local NVIDIA GPU, to run the workflow, we still encounter some issues. For example, like here we have the breast cancer data.csv is not able to be found in the program. So this contains two issues. One, downloading script has to be rewrite. For example, it's similar to the local executor, and we need to download all the files that is required into the local 10 folder. And second issue is that the working directory is different in the web version and local version, so we have to address that in order to make sure both versions are working directly fine. So the good thing is that all the issues has been resolved, and right now the web version and local version are both working correctly and they're working fine. So now we're able to drag and draw an workflow into the website, and then we can choose the environment, which is a local NVIDIA GPU, and click the submit, and it's going to run. Basically, it's train and test a new network as we specified in the window, and then it will finally return a trained model as a screenshot as below. So maybe we can do a live demo. Let's do a live demo in the Eclipse. So for example, I right click the login.jsp and say run on server. So it may take some time to launch the program, and we can log in. And after that, because we have pre-saved some workflow in my account, so I'm able to drag it directly from the window to the window, and we can click the run and choose the local NVIDIA GPU environment and click submit. You can see, okay, this looks not correct. Let me try it again. So I'm not sure whether we need to clean the project or not, because I think it's working just now in the afternoon. So let's try it again. And let's call the run method and local NVIDIA GPU. So if we go to the console, we're able to see it's already run. So right now we're able to see, you can see it's running, and let's locate the task manager, and we are able to see the GPU is indeed working right now. So that means we have successfully triggered the execution of an workflow in our local GPU. So you can see, and maybe we can wait some time, and until it's been done, we can see some result returned into the website. As you can see, it's right now it says running the workflow, and it has been around all the time. That means it's still not complete the execution. As you can see from the console log, we are still training the workflow. I think the total epochs will be 1000, so we still have 300 away to complete the training process, and after that we will automatically do the testing, and so the testing result will be printed out from the console log in the Eclipse. So that is also one of the issue. So you can see right now it's completed. If we go back to the website, we're able to see the spinning is go away, and right now we have the value link to be clicked on the output DP0. So if we click this, and we are going to see the exact train model we just have been executed in our local GPU. So this is something returned from CUDA. However, as you can see, right now we just return this one, but I think we may need to return much more information to the user. For example, like the training on maybe every 100 epoch, and this information need to be returned to the user, as well as a final accuracy. The bad thing is that the Java does not support to redirect the CUDA console logs to the file. So that means, so if we get to the next slides, you will get better understanding. So the Java cannot redirect the console logs from CUDA to a file, and so that we need to work on the backend CUDA side, and in order to return more useful information, just as what I said just now. So here's one example. If we redirect the console log from the Java, so it basically is only able to redirect the Java system.out print commands, so that you can see from here I'm not able to print out all the information that basically redirect from the CUDA side. So that is one issue, and also we have to have some more work to do on the CUDA side. Maybe I will spend next week and to finish this one, and so that until then we are able to get the final accuracy as well as the training data and every 100 epochs and etc. into the return value. So the next one is about prospector reports. Currently I'm working on the outlines of the presentation slides. So basically I will first go through all the outlines on every page, what I will write and what I will present. So that is a plan. Hopefully after I finish this one, I will able to prepare the slides directly. So the next one is release a new version of DataView. So maybe we're able to release a web version of NMOflow in DataView 3.0 as well. So I think that's good news. Okay, so I think that's pretty much of today's video, and thank you so much for your time, and hope you enjoy, and until next week, happy coding.